guys, so I did not vlog this morning just because we were trying to get everything figured out. And I was up literally all night. But if you guys do not know, obviously by the title of this video, I'm moving into my college apartment my freshman year. And I'm gonna give you guys a basically an empty tour before everything's put up, and then I'm gonna just do a time lapse of just put my room together basically, and then give you guys a tour at the end when it's all done. That's the empty apartment tour, and this is the outfit that I wore. This top, oh, look, it's fucking dirty. I got it dirty probably today. This top is from TJ Maxx. And this skirt is thrifted, cute, and then I'm just wearing some Crocs, literally. And after this really cute hairstyle to my hair, I'm starting to get into more just styling my curly hair instead of getting like protective styles, because it's actually pretty cute. So I'm fucking with it. Eric, do you know which one this is? Okay guys, I'm at the beauty supply store. And they got like a big selection of braiding hair. Like, oh my God. So if you're in Lawrence, girl, text me and I'm gonna let you know, because they got it all here. But mama, this is Shiny Jam. This right here.
So it originally cost $500. Okay, so
okay guys, so it's a little later. I left the hair store. I'm actually gonna give you guys a hair store haul. Okay, before I start doing all of the other stuff, I'll give you guys a hair store haul. I have great freaking lighting right here, literally. I low-key might put my bed right here by the, so the window could wake me up in the morning. Or do I want my bed back here? No, I'm gonna keep my bed right here. So I need the window right here when I, you know, and put my TV right there. Okay, that works. Okay, I'll give you guys a hair store haul. So first of all, there's people walking by. The hair store is overpriced as hell, super overpriced. And I think it's because they don't have any, I don't think they have any, like, the hair store is not on high demand out here. Nobody in Lawrence, Kansas wants to get box braids. Let's be real. It's a lot of non-colored folk out here. So this is what I got. So I want to try this out. I got the Shine and Jam rainbow edges. I just wanted to see how good it worked. I don't know if I'm supposed to use this on my edges or if this is supposed to be for braids, but it smells real good. And then I got these 2 packs of hair for my client. You think? Cute. So yeah, that's the hair store haul. But I'm gonna finish cleaning the bathroom. Once I get the bathroom set up, I will give you guys a time lapse of when I start on my room a little bit. So yeah.
I think I'm gonna be like a college private, and whoever wants to join.
I was thinking, because I have all of these
Perfume.
Yeah, I was thinking just
That'd be
all
smart.
this stuff.
They call me.
Guys, this is my salt lamp, and I'm about to put it on my bedside table. So, this is my bedside table. My mom got me this camera, and I just got to get film for it. Look, it works and everything. Look, hold on. Let me show you guys. Dude, that's be so cool. Cute. That's what it looked like. It worked and everything. I just got to get film for it. So I'm gonna order it off of Amazon. It's gonna be cute for college. And I got my salt lamp. Good luck, good energy. My plants. I'll see you guys. You guys, so it's 6 o'clock and I've literally just been cleaning. Like, I'm putting stuff away. My cabinets, some cleaning. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But right now, I'm about to clean out this bathtub. I don't know who's been in it. We don't play that here. I already cleaned out the sink. This is what it looks like under my sink. I'll show you when I finish putting everything in there. Okay guys, so this is how my cabinet looks. Okay, I didn't just throw everything around, I swear, just some of the stuff just fell like right out. And these are trash bags. So we're gonna bottle those up. But this has all the cleaning supplies, everything from all-purpose cleaner to fabric softener, pine sol, soap. Obviously, you gotta have your Ajax, vitamin C packets, scrubbers, dryer sheets, toilet paper, everything I need. And then this is just some products. So yeah. So the bathroom is pretty much done. I just gotta put my clothes up and that's it.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I can do.
Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start putting stuff on my shelf. But what I did is I just rolled up my underwear like this so you can fit in my shelf easier because I'm trying to get all the space I can. I'll show you guys my drawer when I'm done putting everything in here. Okay guys, so it's currently a little later. All I've been doing is like organizing my dresser and I'll show you guys. Right now I'm just watching Netflix on my laptop because you're gonna get on the computer. So we do what you gotta do. Okay, so I'm nowhere near done, but I'll show you guys some progress. So there's just underwear, sports bras, regular bras, then like bralettes type stuff. But you guys can obviously tell I don't wear bras that often, so don't really got much there. And then this is some of my boyfriend's underwear. And then this one has literally all my tiny tanks, like all my crop tops, tiny tanks, designated drawer for that. But I'm not done filling it up, obviously, because he's not full. But I color coordinated it. Like I did it by white, black, stripes, or like any patterns. Then like browns, neutrals, pinks, greens, blues. So that's cute. And then here is gonna be like mini skirts that I have, or leggings that I have. Like the mini skirts have to be that type of material, and then leggings, and then Spanx or shorts or sleep shorts. And then in here I don't have anything, but I'm gonna end up putting my sweatpants and like my sleep pants in there most likely. And then right now this is how my closet is looking. I just put up some jeans. And then I just put my suitcase in here because I don't want to worry about it. Then I have the dirty clothes hamper. I hung this up and I put towels on here. This is a burn stain. This is not a poop stain. That's a burn. And then all my swimsuits are up here. I didn't show you guys. The pool is literally like, you can look out my window like and go like right over there. Or I think it's that way. I'm not sure, but my pool is somewhere over there. And then, yeah, I put up these hooks because I could hang my bags on this side and then jackets on this side so they're not visible. So like close the door, they're gone. And the only thing left that I have to do is I have to build these clear floating shelves. I'm probably gonna wait till my boyfriend gets here so he can put it up for me because I really don't feel like doing it myself, hammering them into the wall, and I'm gonna hammer them in improperly, so I'm gonna have him do it when he gets here. And then I'm gonna put this, yo, I'm thinking about putting my senior banner on my up here. Hold on, that's exactly what I'm about to do. Okay, this is my senior banner. This is real cute. I'm about to put it between my legs. it's not really nothing, but like, it's me, so it's getting. I cannot tell y'all how irritated I get by hearing this fan. Like, this, I'm gonna have to get like a lamp in here or something, because I'm not about to come in here and have to hear this fan every time I turn the bathroom on. But I put Ajax in here, and then I forgot I put it in here. So I'm about to clean that out in a little bit, but I'm just gonna let it sit in here because it ain't killing nobody. Just a little update. Here are the sweats. I need to go through my socks and match them all. So I separated them by color, black and white. And then this is my bedside table. So on my bedside table, I just have like this stuff, like just this type of stuff. And then like here, I have all these beauty products like perfumes and lotions and stuff. You obviously, they don't have tops. But what I do, because my sister broke all my tops, but what I do is I take this top off and I just switch it out. Actually, I should have more perfumes than this. I'm trying to figure out why this is the only one that doesn't have a top. That has a top. It's really weird. But I'm going to put all those up there on those shelves. And then get my desk together, clear my desk off. And then these bags, I'm not going to be able to hang up all my clothes today because I don't have hangers. So I'm just going to put them in the closet so they're just out of my view because I'm tired of looking at them, to be honest. Okay, guys. So I finished my dresser a little bit more, so I'm going to show you. So I just added some socks from what you guys previously seen. Oh, over here is going to be all my hair stuff. Like, I'm going to put all my hair stuff in there. When I do hair, all of that. But I need to go on my list. I need to get a comb. I don't have a comb. I need to remember to get a comb. I don't know how I lost my comb, but I did. And then in here, all my tiny tops kind of color coordinated just a little bit. Then in here, I can barely kind of open it because right here, it's all skirts. These are all Spanx, like, you know, that type of material for like Spanx or biker shorts. And then these are like cotton shorts. And then right here, this whole section, like this and this, are leggings. I have too many. And then down here are sweatpants, and you can see I can literally barely open the drawer. Like, this is way too many. Way too many. But this is how everything's looking. I need to get a sheet for my bed. Don't ask me why I haven't got a sheet yet. I haven't got a sheet. I don't know what I want to do with this table. If anybody has any suggestions on what I should do with this table, let me know. Because that's my bedside table. So I don't know what this is for. But I'm ready for my boyfriend to come so he can put these shelves up so I can get this stuff off of my desk because it's really irritating. And what I'm about to do actually is I'm going to move all that to my desk. I mean, to my, no, because that looks clear. I don't want to move nothing there. It looks good. Move this back there. And so yeah, this is my space for right now. It's not looking that bad. It just needs more, like I need posters, I need it all. But for right now, it looks good. In the bathroom, obviously, looks fine. I added some towels over there, right there. And then, oh, zoomed out too much. Oh, got some towels right there. But yeah, everything looks nice. Well, over here, guys, want to see my side table? It's kind of keys, wallet, lotion. Oh, you guys can't even see. I'm over here zoomed out. Okay, keys, wallet, lotion, lip gloss, fenugreek, you already know. B12 and iron pills, and then I think these are like TMI, but I think those are like UTI pills. I really don't remember. And then my camera. My mom got this cute coffee mug that says coffee break. So freaking cute. And then I got 3 bonnets, and you guys are not keep my bonnets on my bedside table because when I'm tired, I'm not gonna feel like going somewhere to go grab my bonnet. No, I'm gonna want it by me in my bed. And right here I have a planner, which I'm actually gonna go through in a little bit. And right here I have a Bible, and I need to put a notebook right here because I'm gonna start writing down scriptures and things that just mean a lot to me that I read from the Bible and things that I feel like can help me out throughout my daily life. And then right here, over here, don't really have nothing. I have just mess, like you can just see it's like stuff all over here. I need to sell this phone case. I found the wall piece to my fast charger. It's just for notes, and these are all like birthday cards and graduation cards. And I wanted to keep them, and I wanted to do something with them, but I'm just not sure yet. And then right here, I have all these baby photos of me. Literally, it's all of me. So I was gonna make probably like a mini collage right there, but I was gonna put them together. I don't know. I was gonna space them out. I don't know how I was gonna do it though, but it was gonna be cute, and it was gonna be like right here. What the fuck? Oh. Okay, guys, so I'm laying in bed. editing the video and I forgot to end it. So I got my room together, room tour coming real soon. Are you guys excited for the college vlogs? Because I know I am. Okay. There's some parties coming up this weekend, so you know there's gonna be some vlogs. But yeah, I will see you guys Friday? No. Saturday? No. Monday? One of those days. I'll see you guys.
Tell me what you see.